Hello, this is Maths with Lemon, and in this topic we will see the unit vectors. Now, the unit vectors, although it's an easy concept, many students are confused. What is a unit vector? If I have a vector A, this vector A has a magnitude. Now, I want to produce a unit vector which is a vector parallel to A. Let's call it V. And since V should be parallel with A, it means that V will be K times my vector A. Now, what's my point? My point is that I want this magnitude of this vector to be 1. So basically, I need to find this number here, K, so as when I multiply my K times my vector A to find its magnitude, I want this one to be 1. That's why it's called unit vector, because the scalar times my vector, a vector, will give me 1. Now, since I have this case, K times the magnitude of A should be 1. So K should be 1 over my magnitude of the vector. Let's see an example and see how we will deal with it. Find the unit vector in the same direction of this vector. First, I need to find how much is my magnitude of this vector. The magnitude of this vector is square root 2 squared plus minus 2 squared plus 1, which is square root of 9, which is 3. Now, what do I want? I want basically my K, a constant, scalar, times A, this vector, the magnitude of that to be 1. So basically I want K times the magnitude of A to be 1. How much is A in this case? 1 over 3. So now I found my scalar, so my unit vector will be K times my vector. So V will be 1 over 3 times my vector, which is 2 minus 2, 1, which is obviously 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3 and 1 over 3. So now, what did I do? I just produced a unit vector V, which is parallel with my vector A. And this is my unit vector, which is parallel in the direction of this vector. Now, how about now if they will ask me find a vector with magnitude 5 parallel to A? Now, I just want a vector which has magnitude 5 and it's parallel to A. But since I have my unit vector, how much is my unit vector? My unit vector is 2 over 3 minus 2 over 3, 1 over 3. This is the unit vector which is parallel to A. I know that the magnitude of that is 1. So basically I want 5 times this one. So how much is going to be, let's say, another vector of V1 would be 5 times my unit vector. Minus 2 over 3, 1 over 3. So I have 10 over 3 minus 10 over 3 and 5 over 3.